Alright guys, it's a 2013 Dodge Durango RT all-wheel drive with the Hemi. I did the Gibson muffler back exhaust modification. As you can see, it's got the still chrome tips. It's a little bigger than the stock. Going down below, the mount's in the exact same location as the stock exhaust, exact same hangers. All you do is cut the stock exhaust and then clamp in the new mufflers. It goes around the spare tire, stock exhaust does, go to the other side, and you can see where I did the same thing. The muffler's mounted, and then the clamp over there. Pretty easy install as long as you are pretty handy with tools, because the directions that Gibson provides you are not helpful. They don't give you exact measurements or anything, so I did measurements, took it out, measured it, and then went in there and actually cut it. But sounds pretty good. Let me go ahead and turn it on so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, let me turn it on real quick. There you go. If you guys have any questions, just put a comment. I'll try to help you out as best as I can. But pretty fairly easy to install this exhaust. Thanks guys. Have a good one.